Welcome to my first video in 2023. I hope everyone has had a great new year and I wish everyone the best in 2023. So this year I want to bring you guys more content but less videos. So each video will contain 3-4 pieces maybe, and with each video I want to bring you the process of how I paint my pieces. Within this extra content, as it were, I want to bring you more video clips of walls that have been painted by other people within my local surrounding area. Yeah, the whole aim of this change in my channel and the videos is to try and bring you guys more interesting content. Plans for me this year are to basically get better at doing pieces. That is priority number one. Next priority is to try and bring in some extra depth to my walls, and basically I want to bring you more characters and some kind of background, just make my walls more complete rather than just like a piece, you know. It's a little bit like, yeah, it's okay but not great. Yeah, that's the idea, that's the plan for this year. So yeah, well, on to this video. I hope you enjoy. So, all of the clips you're about to see is from a day, 2 days before I went back to work after the Christmas break, and I was bored and the weather was a bit crap, and yeah, I didn't know what to do, so I thought I would just go and film some walls in my local area. So yeah, here we go. First proper piece of the year. Well, I say proper. We'll see. I'm yet to decide exactly what I'm going to do in terms of colour scheme. I've got a sketch done. I really need to go to the back of my car and get the other bag of paint out with all the caps and all that crap. Right, what we're going to do for Smosh. Look at that. I think we've got some dark grey in this one. That's like that is like a dark grey as well. Got some shit that ain't mixed up very well. Simplest thing to do will be just to pour this in, and that'll be that. There's quite a bit of water in there, it's quite watery. Should be alright on the wall though. Right, that'll do for that. So I think I've decided on using pinks for the fill. Just a simple fade. Maybe some blue. I don't know, maybe I haven't decided. Yeah, that's the one. Right. Blue outline. Pink fill, get rid of these. Don't need them. Take all these pinks. I'll decide what ones I'm going to use at the wall. Maybe I'll just chuck a bit of all of them in. I'll leave the greens in there actually. That'll be quite handy. Might as well leave that. The sketching can. The sketching can too. And yeah, that'll be it, I think.
The GP will see you now.
So there we go, my first proper piece of 2023. I actually really enjoyed it. Quite simple letter style, but I enjoyed it. I like the colour scheme. So yeah, now on to the next piece, which I wasn't really that happy with, but I will let you guys decide. So yeah, here we go.
So here we go again. We're not going to be using any emulsion today, but we are going to need some of them, a mask, some caps, those caps, more than those caps, but we are going to need the good old night quills. Should be a bunch of fat caps in there. There's a lot of yellow fat caps which are pretty beastly. Today we're going to be using a lot of red because you would have seen in my piece that I just did previously in this video, I had a bit of an issue with a green fluoro. From Iron Lac, which I bought at the same time as these, I believe, which is a fluoro red from Iron Lac. So I think there's a bit of an issue there. I think I need to use them because they're pretty old. They're probably like 3 years old. So I'm going to combine that with some other red. A nice red. It looks nice on the donut on the top. Right, fluoro's in. That's proper. See, they're like proper. That's like a really scrappy one, but this one. This is how long they've been sitting for. It's just like proper gloopy crap in the bottom, and the green was the same.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I must have exit drove. Yeah, she give me that claim I was wrong. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly, I'm bought, ban me. Bad bitch, yellow text. Just wanna give me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're at the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like, think flags, told her I love it. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Nowadays these people like friends. Remember way back, she was love. These bitches nigga can't cover. I got 4 hoes that went up. I remember. Remember I sound dog food, no kibble, just to give me some scribble. But I like Tetris, just to give me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the game blah blah. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to cut the little dot, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, seconds a couple a day, yeah, lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I finally start getting funky with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie, this a girl, but she want me. These little boys think I'm cocky, I been straight like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, still like an ice, smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. My bitch, drip like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, still like an ice, smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. Nowadays these people like friends, remember way back she was love. These bitches nigga can't go. I got 4 hoes that went up. I remember.
That is it for this video. Unfortunately, the last piece didn't come out exactly how I had planned, but anyway, I'm building for the future, and I've already got a sketch done for the next piece, and I've got a background planned. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. I also need to prepare for a character of some sort, so I need to get sketching on that. I'm not sure whether I'm going to include a character with this next wall, but yeah, there's something in the making. I've got a few ideas, so yeah, looking forward to that. Also, if you've got this far in the video, then give it a thumbs up, and yeah, drop your tag next to the thumbs up in the comments, and in the next video I will do a piece for you. That's a definite, as long as I don't get like, I don't know, more than 3, or if I get more than 3, I will pick 3 people from the comments and I'll paint a piece for you in the next video. Also in the comments, let me know whether you prefer this video format or whether I should keep it as just a more regular video, so one video a week, and just do one piece or one wall per week, rather than doing a video every 2 or 3, 4 weeks and having 3 or 4 pieces in that one video. So yeah, they are my thoughts from this video and from these walls. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.